to cook my chicken. I let it stay overnight in the season. I'm just giving it a quick stir, let it steam for about 5 minutes. Then I will add water to it. But I will be adding hot boiling water instead of using water from the sink or adding hot room temperature water. I prefer to do it like that. It's something about hot water instead of adding cold water to your food. It's 5 minutes already. I'm going to add my hot water. It smells so good. I'm adding my water. Look at the transition. That's why I love using hot water instead of cold water or room temperature water. Yeah, or water from the tap, either way. This is the deal for me. It's make everything so much different. And from now, I'm just gonna let it cook for half hour. I'm gonna add my pepper. It's gonna add a special smell and flavor to my meat as well. And we'll be back in half hour. It's been half hour already. I'm gonna give it a stir and see how we're doing. Maybe I'm gonna let it sit for another 5 minutes. Then I'll be frying my chicken. I'm about to add oil in a pan, so right after I take it off, I can start frying my meat. And here we go. Be very careful doing this part, because oops, it was hot. Yep, it was very hot. I am letting it fry until it's brown, the way we like it over here. See, that's how we like it. It smells so good, I can't wait to taste it. And here's the final result. My meat is all fried. And I will take a piece, absolutely off camera, of course. This is the final result. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use my chicken broth to make the best chicken sauce ever. I love chicken sauce with rice or plantain, potato, and I'm gonna show you how I'd like to make it. First, I am getting some oil from the oil that I used to fry my chicken. I drain it. Then I will be using red pepper, green pepper, yellow pepper, and an onion to make my sauce. I love onion. I guess onion doesn't love me. Look at this. It's running away from me. And also I will be using 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. First I will add my peppers. And I'm adding like my tomato paste, 2 tablespoons about, yeah. And I will mix it. And I'm about to add like a little bit of water, not the chicken boil yet, just probably 1 or 2 tablespoons of water, so that will help my tomato paste to blend in with my pepper. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get few pieces of my fried chicken, maybe the smallest one, and I will add them to it like this piece. Yeah, the very small one, probably few, like 2, 3. I will add them. 1, 2, maybe a few more. Yeah, the bony parts, I put them in the sauce. They're interesting to eat in the sauce. I will add them and stir them for about 1 or 2 minutes before I add my chicken ball. The smell is just killing me. And also another thing, I'm cooking a lot of food. Like I'm doing the chicken sauce, I have my rice on the other end, plus I'm getting bean sauce done. The kitchen is on fire. Now I let my chicken fry for like, get roasted for like 2 minutes, and I will be adding my chicken broth to the mixture and let it boil for 5 minutes and then get back to it. I add all my chicken broth, then I'm gonna let it boil, sit until it boils for 5-10 minutes. It's all ready, it's all done, all the flavors is in already. All I'm gonna do is pour it in a clean bowl, then let it cool for 2-3 minutes. Then I will be adding my onion, ring onion on it, and it's gonna be so good with my rice, guys. I wish I could share it. It's And that's the final result. This is how I prepare my chicken sauce and fried chicken. Thank you for watching. I hope you love the video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. And thank you.